Okay, for part 3, we're going to use spring 1 again. We're going to use the calculated K value which we had, and we're going to use known masses to determine the gravity on Jupiter, the Moon, and planet X. So we can go ahead and we can pick which mass we want. Maybe we could try, well, let's go ahead and see here what we could use. So let's say I'm on Jupiter, that's going to be the biggest gravity. If I put a 250 on there, is that going to be within reach of, oh, see, we're not going to be able to, doesn't look like we're going to be able to measure that. Pause. Okay, so let's use, put it on Jupiter, and we're going to use the 100 gram mass instead, I guess. Okay, so let's go to our, let's just start up let's do a program here. So I have Jupiter, we have our moon, which is called Luna, and we have planet X, and I want to figure out the gravity on each of these things by putting a mass on there and measuring the displacement. Okay, and again we had F equals KD, and we know that that's mg equals KD, and we want to figure out the gravity, so gravity is going to equal K times D divided by the m, the mass. And we're going to use 100 grams each time, so technically we can say divided by 0.100. That should be our gravity. Okay, so in this equation we do equals K value, so we're going to grab this K value again, and we want that to be static, so we're going to use dollar signs. Dollar signs times this displacement, and then we'll divide that by 0.100, and we can drag that down, and then we can try to, we're on Jupiter, we put the 100 gram on here, it's 25, 26, looks like it's a 26 centimeters, so 0.26 meters. Gravity on Jupiter is like about 26. So gravity on Earth is 10, so that means like you would weigh 2.6 times more on Jupiter than you would on the Moon. Let's click on the Moon. See what we got here. 1, 2, 1.9 maybe. Whoops. 0.019. Okay, gravity on Moon is 1.8. Technically it's around 1.6, so our K value I don't think is totally quite right, so we might be able to fix that later. Let's look at planet X. 1, 2, 3, almost 4. We'll call it 4.04. So gravity on planet X is about 3.9, which means planet X is a smaller planet than Earth is. Okay, so that's how we can do part 3 and figure out the gravity.